everyone, how's it going? So I haven't made any new Minecraft drawings in a while, so I thought I would start out by doing another Minecraft Titan video, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a Minecraft Warbat. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Minecraft Warbat, we're going to start up here and we're going to begin with the mouth. So I'm going to start here and we're just going to draw a line that's going to come down. It's going to go over at an angle, we're going to come up and then back up here. Right here we're going to draw a line that goes over, it's going to come down and then back over here. Now starting here we're going to draw a line that's going to go up at an angle. We're going to come up here. Then we're going to make a line that goes over and down. Right here we'll make a line that goes up, over, and then down. Starting here, let's make a line that goes down on each side, and a line that comes down here. Next, we're going to make a line that goes down, it's going to go over, and it's going to come up and over here. Make a line that goes down, we're going to go over, we'll come up and then over. Make another line that goes down, we're going to go over, up, and then connect. Starting here, we're going to make a line that goes down. We're going to come over, we're going to go up, and then come back to here. Make another one that goes over, we're going to come down and over. And I'm going to repeat this just a couple more times to make the body nice and long. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes up, we're going to come down, we'll go down at an angle, then over. Make a line that goes up, we'll go up a little higher, we'll come down and in. Do another one right on top. I'm starting to make these a little bit skinnier. Make one that comes up at an angle, over and down, and then one more up, over, and then back. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up. We're going to come down, and it's going to go all the way back here, like a really skinny rectangle. I'll make another one that goes out. We'll come down, and then I'm going to come back here. We'll do another one here. We'll go up for a skinny rectangle. And we're going to bring it out here and make another skinny rectangle. I'll make another one here. This one's going to be a little bit smaller. Then we'll draw one more out here that's also going to be smaller. We'll do one right here. We're going to try to make these even smaller and shorter. And another one there. Put one up here, and one that goes out like this. Now, starting here, to connect the inside, I'm going to draw a little diagonal line. So we start here at the end, and then we draw in. And this just kind of gives it a little bit more of like a geometric look. Now, starting over here, I'm going to make a little skinny rectangle that goes up, over, and down. And another one's going to go out. It's going to go down, and then it's going to come back. We'll make another one here. We're going to go up for a little skinny rectangle, and then we'll come out and back. Then starting here, we'll do the same thing. I'm going to come over and then in, and then right here we're going to go over and then down to here. Now, starting here, I want to make his body just a little bit bigger. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then connects to here. We're going to make just like his stomach. So we'll go down and then in. I'm going to go down and then in. Right here, we're just going to go down, over, and up. This one will go over and up. And I'm going to do this all the way across the bottom. And then when I get up here, I'm going to do the same thing. I'll go over, up, and then in. Go over, up, and in. And we'll just do the same thing right across the bottom for the tail. Now, starting here, I'm just going to make a little line that comes down. And I'll make a little line that goes up and then back up here for the tongue. Now, for the eye, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come up. Make a little line that's going to go over, and then it's going to come up here. They'll draw a little line in here. I'm also going to make a little line that goes down and or over and up for the nose. And I'll make a little line right down here to show like a little nostril. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Minecraft Warbat from Godzilla vs. Kong. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.